Chapter: Why Filecoin Will Change the Future of Storage. If your files are chilling on someone else's cloud, you're just a tenant. But if your files are stored with Filecoin, you're part of the future. Let's break down what that really means. Filecoin's signature FIL token logo. Filecoin is shaking up digital storage. Instead of locking your photos, instead of locking your docs, instead of locking your videos in giant corporate servers like AWS or Google Cloud, Filecoin spreads your data across a global network of everyday people's computers. How? It's built on the Interplanetary File System IPFS. IPFS gives every file a unique fingerprint. Then it scatters copies far and wide. The magic sauce? Incentives. Want to save files? You pay with Filecoin tokens. Provide spare storage, you earn file. That means nobody can just yank your files offline, and the network keeps your data safe and sound. Filecoin launched on mainnet in 2020. They raised over $200 million during their ICO. It started at just $1 per token, led by Juan Benet and Protocol Labs. Filecoin stands apart from other crypto projects. It's not built on Ethereum. It has its own blockchain made for storage. Competitor Storgy, competitor Siacoin, competitor Arweave. Filecoin's global reach and IPF's tech give it an edge. Next time you see that Phil logo, remember, it's not just another coin. It's the future of keeping our digital lives safe, permanent, free from middlemen.